It's Zon's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got an interesting one from Hong Kong. This is Sao Tao with their fresh pasta, Cuttle fish in squid ink sauce. Indeed. So this looks like it's going to be pretty quick, but I'm like, wow. This is the one that I found at S-Mart. S-Mart, yes, shop smart, shop S-Mart. Seriously, that's what it's called. Tear off fresh pasta and put into bowl and then add the sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add this to the bowl. Oh, and it comes with a fork. So here's this. Want me to tear it off? Usually they don't say exactly how to do it, and I don't even see it. So unfortunately I won't be tearing it off. I will be snipping it. So here's the noodle. Yeah, noodle goes in. Now, I don't know. I looked at the ingredients and I didn't see it, because this is an export version. It's even got a UPC instead of an EAN code on it. But minced pork. I don't think there's any pork in here. I think they just used the same sachet instead of making export sachets, but it's nice to think there might be minced pork in there. You put this on top. So it says microwave it at 800 watts. So I'm gonna put it at, so our microwave is 1250 watts. So 10% of that is 125 watts. 800, so that's 450. So we'll do it at 70%. Bing, bing, bing. Yeah, 70%. I really like our microwave. It took us a long time to like come together on the microwave we got. But I'm glad we did. All right. And it goes for 90 seconds, I believe. No, 1 minute. Then you stir it and you add the vegetables. Here's what we got currently. So we're gonna do 1 minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And there it goes. And here we are. The last one I had was really good. I'm curious how this one will be. I've had a lot of Sao Tao stuff before. This company, Sao Tao, these guys sent me a pallet of noodles a while back, and that hole by the window over there literally was almost up to the ceiling with noodle products. Yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot. It was a whole freaking lot. And it was cool. I like that. I'm still getting little bits out of the last one I reviewed. I think there's like caraway seed in it. Something, but it, wow. All I can say is wow. That's enough out there. All right, here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute. Woo! That's enough. That's enough. Alright, so that worked like really didn't work. It didn't say anything about adding water. It just said to add the sauce. So we'll see how it goes. But this is like really not what I expected. It's pretty hot. But that is definitely squid ink pasta. I've had a lot of squid ink pasta actually. I used to go to a restaurant called Perce No, which no longer exists, which is too bad. But it was Italian food done by a Malaysian, and he was great at what he did. But he was just like, I'm retiring. That's enough. Yeah. But he would make some amazing food. Oh, and then we got to add in our garnish sachet. And it says to just drop it all in. What do we have here? Other than this, I don't know. Zip it out there, zip it. Shush. That's enough. Who wants a timeout? Shush. I don't care. Zip it. Well, Miles, knock it off. Nobody wants to hear you guys complaining. What have we here? Okay. I gotta say, that's really good. Look at that. Mmm. That's absolutely wonderful. Now we run into a problem. How do you plate something that's this dark? What do you put it on? I'm going to go with a dark plate because it seems logical that, I don't know, but I'm going to try it because I don't want it to be so stark of a contrast. I think I should do my little trick. My little trick. Gonna take the cup. Put the noodles in it. Ow, 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 ow.
This guy's clearly off his meds.
Don't say that. No, I like doing what I do. I've had people comment on my videos and say like, what happened to all that time I just had? I just wasted it watching you. Yeah, well, nuts to you, buddy. Yeah, I get all sorts of comments that are rude. I don't know why. I guess that's just the world we live in. Oh, there's a dot right there. I can't have that. Imperfection. No, imperfect. There you go. So I put the noodles in there. Shake them down. Let them settle a bit. And then, right about there. Go that way then if you're gonna go in a direction. Should I put an egg with it? I know I can do this. don't think I'm gonna put egg with it. I think that's about all we need to do. This is really good. You might be like, squid, I don't know, I don't like squid. Oh, trust me. Nice chewy cuttlefish and squid. You really, if you don't like seafood, there's something wrong with you. I could subsist 100% off of the catch of the day, I swear to God. But if you can't, we'll don't worry about it. Well, if you're watching on, if you watch this episode on www.theramenraider.com, then you know that this was review number 4,299. Okay? What's coming up tomorrow? I haven't reviewed this. I've reviewed a version which was review number 104, and it's over 3,000 reviews later. They've changed the recipe, I know that much, and they changed the packaging. So here we go. So that will be tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.